Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about Pawns.app. What is it about, how to use it, and how to start earning from it. But before we start, please like this video, subscribe and place a bell so that you will never miss any video. Thank you. Now let us move on. What is Pawns.app? Pawns.app is a mobile and desktop app that lets users earn money by sharing their unused bandwidth and completing surveys. Users can redeem their earnings for cash, gift cards, or Bitcoin, essentially providing a way to generate passive income through their internet connection. It's considered a platform to make extra cash through various tasks and activities. Key points about Pawns app. Internet sharing. Primary feature is the ability to share your unused internet bandwidth with other users, allowing you to earn money even when not actively using your connection. Surveys. Users can also participate in paid surveys on various topics to earn additional income. Earning options. Rewards can be redeemed in the form of cash, gift cards, or other prizes. Privacy focus. The app claims to prioritize user privacy by not accessing sensitive personal data and encrypting traffic. Before we move on, click the link below the video to get the app and use my invitation code. And please like, subscribe, and hit a bell button so that you will never miss any educational videos like this one. Thank you so much. How to start using Pawns.app. First things first, you can't do much without downloading the app. It's free to download and install. To download it, click on the link below the video. You can download it on PC or smartphone. If you're going with option number 1, click on the link below the video and click the right button to get it for your platform. However, if you're definitely pro option number 2, search for it in your Play Store or App Store and use code 243721. It works on both Android and Apple devices. Once the app is installed, open it, find the Sign Up button, and tap on it. Since you're new, you'll need to create an account by entering your password and email information. You can also sign up with Google. If you use my referral code 243721 to sign up with, it'll get you 2 cool bonuses, $1 on your first sign up and also another $2 after the next 2 payouts, which is $3 in total. And me also will get $3 for referring you to the app. Isn't it cool? That would be all about the downloading process. Now, let's cover all the in-app tabs one by one.
Please give a like, subscribe and push the notification bell so that you will never miss any video. Thank you so much. The home page. The home page is the first page the app takes you when you open it. Here, you can stay on top of whatever it is you're doing to snatch one more penny with Pawns. You can track your internet sharing, see your current balance, jump over to your referral earnings, and also get a few of your app-related questions answered. Let's take a quick look at all these one by one. Traffic shared. This is where things start to get interesting. Pawns.app lets you earn by sharing your unused internet for cash. You need to tap the Share Internet button, and you're done, as simple as that. If you want, you can also let the app run in the background so you can share bandwidth at all times by tapping on Ensure Background Sharing. Turn sharing off whenever you want, just tap the Stop Sharing button. Your balance. In this section, you can see how you're doing balance-wise. Pawns earnings. Here you'll see your earnings are displayed there, as well as your remaining referral bonus. The little I keeps the info on the bonuses encapsulated, and the total earnings drop-down menu. This menu shows you how your income is spread across the different earning options. Referral earnings. If you tap on referral earnings, the app will show you how much you've earned from your referrals. More referral stats are available from the Stats drop-down menu or the See All Referral Stats tab. Request payout. To request a payment, which is an option once you've made $5, you can tap the Request Payout button. The Earn tab. Once you tap on the Earn tab, you'll see some of the earning opportunities available with the app. Here's what you can do to make your pockets explode. Surveys. The paid surveys offered are fun and quick. You can do them when you're relaxing. If there's nothing listed there, you can tap the Complete Quests tab and see how you can boost your income from that window instead. History. This little side tab shows all your completed surveys and your earnings from each one. Additional info, A tap on this button explains how to read the app's tags to choose the best surveys. Games. If you tap the Games section of the window, Pawns will invite you to check out the games and find your favorite one. All you need to do is continue tapping, this time on the Accept button, and track your playtime by tapping on Activate Now. And, OK, for the last time, tap Allow Usage Access in your phone settings. Then, it's time to get your game on. The Quests tab. The Quests tab is your gold mine. If you tap on it, you will find a long list of simple daily, weekly, and monthly tasks waiting for you. And if you start completing them, you'll start earning points, which you can exchange for different rewards later. The Learn More button is your portal for all the details about this window. Here's what else is displayed here. Points. It's the yellow coin with the pawn on it at the top right corner. Once you go there, you can see the status and history of your points, with a history of the ways you've earned and spent them. Available. All the active quests are listed here. Unclaimed. If you finished a quest but didn't claim your earned points, you can do that here. Rewards. All your points can be exchanged here. Depending on how many points you have, you can get different types of boosts. Alternatively, you can buy more points for cash or try your luck and spin the wheel. How to start earning from the app. Games. Play mobile games and earn cash. Discover new mobile games, complete in-game tasks, and earn real cash. Turn your gaming sessions into an income source and boost your income even further. Surveys. Start earning right away. Earn cash by taking surveys and sharing your opinions on various topics straight from your phone. The data collected contributes to the product development of various businesses. Internet sharing. Share your internet and earn instantly. Sell your internet bandwidth and unused data on your smartphone or PC and earn passive income. Pawns.app ensures you can share your internet connection securely with no access to your personal. Earn More tab. Boost earnings with referrals. Looking for more benefits? Try out our referral system. Invite friends and earn $3 for each referral. Not enough? Become our affiliate and earn 10% from your connections brought to our income app. Quests. Rewards for higher earnings. Accumulate daily points with each completed task and earn rewards, from additional cash and bonuses to grand prizes like the latest iPhone 15. Get the money-making app made for you. Check the link to download the app in the description below the video. This brings us to the end of the video. Before you go, please like, subscribe and push the notification bell so that you don't miss any video. And remember, after download, use the referral code 243,721 to sign up. You'll be give $3. Thank you so much for watching and supporting.